checking out now and we'll be transferring to a new hotel.
Humiram ako ng bike for the vibes. And then, unlock mo lang yung bike. Ayun. Hello. Okay.
Sana makapag-early check-in tayo para ma-push natin yung itinerary for today, which is yung itinerary natin is secret. Medyo parang starting kahapon, umuulan. Pero sana bigyan tayo ng good weather moving forward. What is that?
Kiddie pool.
Oh, really?
Pero ang ganda. Niman. May laundry sa harap.
Okay, coffee din.
Thank you. Let's go.
Thank you. Thank you. So, guys, we were able to check in early as early as actually 11:45 na pa lang. But the usual check-in starts at 2 or 3. Pero pinagbigyan tayo ng mga pag-early check-in. And look at the lobby area. Ang ganda. Like, very inviting yung lobby area nila. And, of course, the front desk. Oh, by the way, yung breakfast nila dito, nag-start ng 6:30 hanggang 10 a.m. on the first floor mismo. Dito. Same area kung saan pupunta tayo sa hotel natin. Okay, let's go. Oh.
Wow. Wow.
Uy.
Ayan na yung One Niman, oh.
Saan?
Yung clock tower ng One Niman.
Ay, oo nga.
So, parang same-same lang siya ng
Layo.
layo nung sa kahapon. Ay, kanina. This is our hotel. Hagniman. Tapos, may katabi siyang ATM. Sa tapat, may laundry. Dito, may mga tea shop. Ganda naman dito. Saan tayo?
Dito tayo sa Niman Road.
May 7-Eleven sa kanto.
Sa yung sa Libid.
Ito guys, Niman Road na yan siya. Diyan, sobrang busy ng area na yan. Ito sa kanto, may salad shop. May Subway. May another ATM. May another laundry shop.
7-Eleven.
Starbucks. Nasa mga 2 minutes away na kami ng hotel. May McDo, 7-Eleven, may Pad Thai. Hindi pa kami nagpa-Pad Thai.
Starbucks.
Ayan, Starbucks. May isa pa doon sa unahan.
Yan ba yung maganda?
Oo, ala, yan yung maganda.
Pasok tayo sa McDonald's. finally, nandito na tayo sa Carp Cafe and we ordered chicken tonkatsu. Tapos, they have soup. Siguro miso soup to. Tapos, I ordered coconut coffee. They have Japanese
Mostly Japanese, no?
Japanese cuisine. Tapos, may desserts.
May
meron-
sushi,
Mhm.
may mga maki.
Tapos, meron din silang different teas, coffee, and then smoothies. So, we're trying some of their food. Mostly kasi ino-offer nila dito is Japanese cuisine, tapos may cakes, coffees and tea. Ayan. Laki din ang serving nito ah. I think this is 200 baht. Yan.
190.
Laki na din. Tapos, side ng kimchi and then miso soup. Sana masarap to. May coconut americano sila. Tapos may young coconut meat. Try natin yung miso soup. Looks good naman. Sana masarap, sana masarap. Side of curry. Sana masarap to. First bite. Sarap. In fairness, masarap to na order ko. Doon hindi na siya mainit. Dahil siguro sa electric pan. Pwede sila i-feed. So I think bibili ka ng pagkain nila. Hindi siya pwede ng human food. Nakakita ko sa mga videos na hindi daw masyado masarap yung pagkain nila dito. Buti naman itong nabili ko na chicken tonkatsu masarap. Masarap yung coffee mo? Ano yan? Americano. Guys, nandito naman tayo sa Frakyat Park. Medyo may kalayuan siya sa Niman Road. Mga almost 1 hour yung pag sumakay ka ng Grab. Ang kagandahan dito, bukod sa may park, meron ding mga pagkain dito, mga street food. So, ayun yung mga pagkain. Combination siya ng mga local food. Ayun, sarap niyan. Tapos, may drinks.
Yung puro green.
Yung green. Actually, siguro isa to. Parang meron pa doon. Actually, long line siya ng mga food stalls. Ayun, ang buong street na yan. Maraming mga pagkain. And look at this, the greenery. Ito yung park mismo.
Ito, ayun.
Ayan, ang ganda. Green na green yung park na to. Ang ganda. Tapos nakikita ko, may cafe din doon. Bawal kaya dito tumapak? Ay, hindi. Meron, pwede naman. Lakad tayo doon. And I think better dito pag sunset din. Ganda ng araw. Tama ng araw. Yan, oh. So, this. Gandang photo spot. Nice, nice. And this one, meron ditong lake, oh. Ganda.
Hindi to guys. It's a public CR. Wala nang entrance.
place na ka-green yung grass, maaliwalas, tsaka hindi mabaho yung, ewan ko kung river ba to or lake nila. And this is for free, walang bayad. Ang problemahin mo lang is paano ka pupunta.
Doon ka lang ga. Takbo ka lang ga. Yung hindi lang yan.
So this is our breakfast here sa Hagniman Hotel. Ayan. So it's a combination of lunch vegetables, khao soi kai, pork porridge. Tapos yung breakfast nila dito start ng 6:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. May pork red curry, may zucchini, stir-fried zucchini with eggs. So, meron din ditong egg, ham, sausage. Ayan. Tapos, merong breads on the side, coffee here, and juice. Uy, parang interesting yung soybean milk. So, yung kinuha ko is stir-fried zucchini, pork red curry, egg. Meron pa dito. Siyempre, kukuha pa tayo. Tingnan mo yung chili paste, ang sarap. What is that? Oh. Siyempre kukuha. Ito yung sinasabing, sticky rice pala to. Magmukbang tayo ng gulay. Ano to? Ano kaya to siya?
Parang ang pala yung mga liit mo.
Ito, na kunyaring healthy tayo sa buhay. Ang galing kasi boiled lang lahat. Pero gusto ko ng chili. Red chili dip. Khao soi kai.
Never na tayo nag-toast.
Sarap din yung breakfast nila dito. With lime talaga.
Maya Mall,
Yes.
hanap kami ng
SD card kasi paubos na yung
12 minutes na lang to.
available. Tapos yung sa ano din, BGI, parang 24 minutes na lang din. So I think 2 separate SD card will buy para magamit namin pa siya. Kasi we still have few more days.
Half pa tayo.
Half pa lang kami.
Ayan, big
So we
camera.
need-
That's a pharmacy. May mga shoe outlets dito. Sa baba may New Balance. Sa taas, ang big camera. Meron na siguro dyan. Let's ikot muna. Ayan, may mga luggage pa dito kung naubusan kayo. So, dito yung mga essentials for gadgets. Secured.
Secure down.
Secured
4,000
yung-
plus.
Nabili namin is yung 256 gig na.
Dalawang 256 gig, no?
So, baba muna kami sa Starbucks.
Gets. Nasa first floor lang siya. Actually, upon entrance, on your left, nandito na mismo yung Starbucks. So, let's go inside.
And for the chai tea latte with ice and a crazy mix. Yes. 545, 150.
345. How big is this?
Wala lang.
Meron din?
1,000. Sana wag mag-corrupt yung file.
Huwag naman. Picturean ko.
Hindi namin ma-order yung favorite namin na customization, yung barista din. Pinakita ko sa kanya yung customization. Baka may unavailable na recipe na ingredient.
Honey toast yung para sa pastry. Tapos, Fujicha latte sa'yo.
Oo. Kung ano na lang andun sa featured nila.
Tapos sa akin is para walnut honey.
Anong tanong sa'yo ng barista?
Ang tanong niya sa akin kung taga-saan ako. Tapos ilang days dito sa
Cute na nakikipag sila,
Ah.
rapport.
Yeah. Ang ano nila kasi interactive pa rin sila. Hindi yung tipong order lang, taking order. Walnut. Honey.
Ano yung angle mo na yun?
Good. Masarap ah. Pero ang tanda ko, pinapalit ko siya instead of oat milk, regular milk lang.
Laki?
Kala ko... dalawang layer. Ang sarap. Ang sarap. Damihan mo yung ice cream with whipped cream. Sarap.
Usapan namin. Starbucks muna para mag-edit. Ang ginawa, ang food trip.
Bakit ba? Sarap eh. Thank you.
Let's go.
Mag-cooking class tayo ngayong araw. Go to the market. Market?
Oh, go to the market.
Oh, Chef Junior. Hello. Everybodyค่ะ Good afternoon สวัสดีค่ะ สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome everyone to San Pa Khoi local market. Today before we go into the food school, I will bring all of you walk around the local market first and show
No,
some
not for eating. Actually, long time ago in Thailand, we eat the baby turtle.
yeah?
Yeah, we make like a soup, but not
in
now.
Thailand, we have like a big farm, so we keep the baby turtle, baby catfish, baby eel. This one look like a snake. It's a Thai eel. Give them back to the river because we believe if you releasing the baby one or the big one, you have a long life. The
yeah.
good thing come in your life. But for eating, we also have like red and like a frog. For the frog, we make like a local curry, the local soup. Very yummy, nah? Tastes like chicken.
Thai curry paste. Today in school, we're gonna make Thai curry, right? And for all of you, you must to make the curry paste by yourself. But all of this, we use the blender, blend the curry paste smooth like ice cream. Today, no blender. We're gonna exercise puzzle and mortar. Exercise together. This one color look different. Smell ka nika? Smell? No.
What's this?
Ah.
Ito yung kalaban namin, guys. Kabilang grupo.
Everybody has egg noodle.
Oh.
Similar like pasta. Before you use that one, you must to boiling it in the hot water first. But for the pad thai we're gonna use this one, rice noodle. But rice noodle very easy to cook. So when we cook pad thai, rice noodle, we don't need to boil it.
Masarap. So, different colors. Pwede itong pampasalubong. You know what? Kahit alam mo some of the ingredients But the way she explained it, very understandable yung
Interesting pakinggan.
interesting pakinggan kasi parang na-amaze ka pa rin kasi the way she explained it, kung saan siya nag-originate, saan galing yung mga ingredients, ganun.
Parang aabangan mo kung
Mm.
paano nila, baka may iba silang paraan.
Oo. Tapos, kasing cooking class talaga kasi nandito ka sa sa dry market.
Immersive.
Oo, very
Kulang na lang tayo mamimili ng
ingredients mismo.
Sarap
But
ng
because they
chicken.
prepared it already. Uy, nawili siya, may chicken. So, ayan. So, we have ample time of 10 minutes. Tapos after that, we'll go to
So
the...
inikot kami sa market. Pinakita niya yung mga ingredients na madalas gamitin. Tapos, ikot daw muna kami 10 minutes, then balik dun sa before mag-start ng cooking class.
Ikaw, gusto mo try?
Sige. Pati tayo. How much for this one? 30? 2?
Just one.
Just one? 30 baht siya guys. Chicken. Around 60 pesos. Hello.
สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีค่ะ
เชิญค่ะ
Okay.
And that paper sit.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
ผัดไทยต้มยำกุ้งข้าวซอย now this one did you taste before
So, nandito na tayo ngayon. Binigyan tayo ng few minutes to choose our dish. So, isa sa stir fried, isa sa soups, isa sa curry and paste.
In-explain niya kanina yung
Oo.
tawag doon? Flavor, anong tawag doon? Profile ng
Flavor
each.
profile.
Tapos, pinapili doon. Anong kakain?
how about you
Hello. So, one pad thai.
One pad thai.
For me, then the hot and sour prawn. And this, the
Green curry. How
for
about
him,
Pad krapao.
Pad krapao.
And then the chicken in coconut milk.
Coconut soup. And the last one.
And
khao soy.
Khao soy. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
How you?
Para, pinili namin, para
Thai.
Pad thai.
kahit papano, anim yung matikman naming dish, no? Na magkakaiba. Guys, better na i-book nyo to pag pumunta kayo ng Chiang Mai. At least, actually, sa Klook siya. And then, 1,600 pesos lang siya per person. Sulit na. Busog ka na. Meron ka ng dinner.
Alright, we will
Thank you.
go to the organic farm. Everyone gonna smell the ingredient that you gonna eat. Cashew nut stir fry and the tom song zoom. This one for flavor and for taste. We have many type of basil.
Ang bango.
This is sweet basil.
Hmm.
Sweet basil. That one hot basil. Holy basil. This is the leaf. Oh, that's one. Oh, that's one kaffir lime.
Amoy ng tom yum, no?
The most important ingredient behind you. Oh no. Spicy one.
Lambaw mo na, Bi. Maligo ka na, Bi. Ay, dalawa sila. Ayun yung iso.
Everyone have a cup on your cutting board, right? How about teaspoon and spoon? I want you all mix them. Everyone, this is the tea powder from this brand.
Oh.
Just soak in hot water in 15 minutes. Yes. After that, chef, you will pour tea over the ice. Sweet tea, tea flavor. Ay, milk
Meron pa?
tea.
Ay, ito nga.
Okay, cheers!
Everyone, this is the ingredient only for curry paste.
Powder mo daw muna.
Use your strong basil. Everything that you have. Pour the rest go in. Shrimp paste. Be careful, this one smells from the water.
Sorry? What I didn't get, what is this?
Lemon
Right? You are slime as well.
Yes. You take about 6 days. 6, 7 weeks.
This one as well for everyone. Half spoon of that one and 1 spoon of oyster sauce.
Oh, pad thai. For stir fried hot basil, just only for you and for him. Cashew chicken.
Pad Thai, you are have this one.
This also. Okay, that's it.
Put together, cut in half again, like a bite.
Ay, I'm so sorry.
Mosquito spray.
And it's then tear it down.
Spicy, not sexy. Fame, not over the pot. Fame about a half of the pot. Yeah.
Oh, smells so good. Lemongrass, chili, and
Chili lemon plus curry leaf, ginger.
ginger. Oh, sorry. Thank you.
No love.
I can add now, right?
Yeah,
Mga
after
boil daw.
covering, you can add.
Alam, dami niyang bula.
Chili as well.
Oh.
Yeah. Ginger curry.
If it over bubbling like this.
Welcome po sa Panlasang Pinoy. Ano nilagay mo, Babo?
So, feeling ko hindi siya masyadong makakain mo siya. So, ang nilagay natin is yung coconut na.
And green color. And not shrimp.
Mushroom.
So 3 things.
So, may... Ang bango niya.
Everyone can you add sugar for balance.
Okay.
Don't forget to wash your food. The food salty.
I need lime. I can just squeeze the lime.
And squeeze that.
Yeah.
If you want more sour, tell me. 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Masarap, no? Aray, mas spicy mo tayo.
Oh.
Green curry and this one as well.
This one?
Same time, yeah. Only that one. Everyone mix it well. After that, you all add chicken. Yes, maximum fire.
Oh!
Chicken and maximum fire. Nice, good one.
Thank you!
Chicken. Chicken. Is the good stuff?
Thank you! Oo, ganito pa yung lasa. Okay, it needs... I think okay na ako sa lasa niya, but it needs chili.
Wow.
How about this? Is this done?
This one, okay.
Okay. Thank you. Oh my gosh, ang bango. Ang bango niya. Thank you.
Pad Thai, 1 spoon.
Okay.
1 spatula. Basil, stir fry cashew nut only half. Not this one. And then stir. Yeah, garlic and all together. Yes, everyone loves
Ang bango. Sabi ang bango guys.
chicken. Chicken. Chicken right now.
She ate in pad thai and long bean. So everything
Okay.
has the basic.
Onion and the long beans. How about the chili?
Chili also.
Chili also.
Everything not this one. No, pad thai. Kinder. 40 seconds. Hurry up. Everyone add sauce in please. Let's go. In seconds.
Noodles puti, hindi ba sa ano?
In. 5 seconds.
Thank you. So proud.
So proud.
But was able to make my own dish.
Kaosoy, coconut chicken, pad krapaw. Ang bilis. Ang kay Babu.
Grabe. Alam mo yun, yung from preparation,
Ang bilis, no?
ang bilis at saka
Ang efficient ng process nila.
enjoy. Enjoy guys. Enjoy.
Ay,
Paling gulat.
galing mo.
Wait lang. Hi, Guni. Yung soup, stir fry dalawa. Tapos pinaka-meat. Ang creamy.
Pero may sipa. Ano yung sipa?
Masarap to. Ibang sarap tayo.
Ako rin. Tawag dito? Kaosoy. Para siyang yung kinain ko kanina sa sa breakfast.
Yung miss in plus lang talaga yung paglalaro. Just done 3 minutes lang. But I want sure. Good po.
But you have best gefunden, before
Sarap ah.
dem Einzelrichti.
Sarap.
We will mix sweet coconut milk, then add color. Then add the blue color is the business tea, mango tea, and coconut
Alright.
smell.
So we got the sticky rice, the coconut.
I know from my friends also graduate now.
Gagawa tayo ng sticky rice ha? Yes.
Depends on you. If you like a pastel blue, baby blue,
Kaano daw lang ganyan dito?
blue rice, blue love.
Gitero. Ingitero. Thank you.
So we're using this color from the flower. So we're using 2. With this. Sana masarap to. Kasi ilang araw na din ako nag-crave ng mango sticky rice.
Everyone, you all use your. Good, right? See, that's
Gentle lang pala. Ay!
Huwag na lang.
It's epic fail.
Is our chef, our instructor. What's your name?
Welcome to Mama Noi. Yes, my name Mai.
Mai.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mai. We had such
You're
a great
welcome.
time. Thank you.
Small certificate for
Wow.
you guys as well. Please
Ang
write down
cute.
your name by yourself. We have like the roasted people for you. What you eat, what you cook today,
Wow.
inside every
That's so
menu.
detailed.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
You have also the recipe book and the certificate along with this. Cute! Nakakaano, sulit na sulit yung bayad ng 1.6. Honest, kung masarap yung pagkaluto. First bite. maasim yung mangga ko, pero masasarap yung kanin.